In Nigeria, in the 60s, onwere ka obodo si dị ewe gbuo ndị Igbo ka esi gbuo ndị Igbo ewe declarezie ka ịgabazie elu onwe anyị ewe chọba afa a ga-aba ndị side a wee baa anyị afa Biafra ka ana Igbo mana abịa ọ dịka ọsọsọ ndị Igbo bụ ndị Biafra due to ụdị afụfụ anyị tagolu maka Biafra whether ma onye ọbụla achọrọ ya ma ọ chọghị ya ife butelu Biafra bụ the hope of survival that we can survive.
Get the hopeless about Ndi Igbo in the 60s that we needed that hope. Go ahead, please.
In the 60s, it was hope to survive that encouraged and motivated precisely Ndi Igbo to champion Biafra because it was an ethnic cleansing. We were hopeless about life.
Okay.
Survival. Idigodondo. Remember now in the 60s, Ka Egbulu, a head of state, Ndi Igbo, where he was killed and was murdered. Agui even say.
That was a coup, right?
It was a counter coup, not even a
counter coup. In the name of a coup.
Yeah,
but he was intentionally killed as Ndi Igbo. And a pogrom ensued. And it didn't stop there, it continued. At the time, we had no hope to survive except that Ojukwu took it upon himself and declared Biafra. Whether it was a blunder or not, it was the spur of the moment. Ndi Igbo, for the hope of survival, encouraged and championed Biafra.
I want to say something.
Go ahead.
See, I'm a pan-Nigerian. We are not too large to govern. Neither are our differences irreconcilable. The only problem with Nigeria is that we accentuate our fault lines more than those things that unify us. The question now is Igbo Ndi Igbo? What makes you Ndi Igbo? Or Epota, native Biafra, agitation, and yet in the course of this so-called marginalization, either contrived or real, we still have Igbos who are doing so well in this space where we are marginalized. As a matter of fact, if you look at the poverty index of the country, of Nigeria today, I am sure that Southeast has the least in terms of the states and areas where you have people who are living below the poverty line. I said like the Jews were a very itinerant people. We are the only itinerant people in the world, anywhere in the world, that I can remember that has a neglected homeland. One of the ways to kill them, because there's nothing here for them to even survive on. So marginalization is a social fact. It exists even in the most egalitarian society. Just like crime, it is commensal to human nature. Onwe BJ, an uneven distribution of resources or opportunity or even life itself. When you bring it down to ethnicity, you lose the focus, you lose the meat. And if we want to make it about ethnicity, I still tell you that we'll be the biggest loser.